Several trucks laden with essential goods approaching for Imphal have returned to Jiribam as landslide hits Imphal to Jiribam road near Tadbung village along National Highway number 37. As informed by our Jiribam correspondent, around 6:30 this morning, B Company of 48 CRPF Battalion, commanded by Inspector Girish, with security convoy along with 20 loaded vehicles, including FCI trucks, had left for Imphal from Jiribam but unable to reach the destination as due to the mudslide at Tadbung village under Tauksem subdivision in Tamenglong district. The trucks returned to Jiribam with the convoy of security. One of the drivers stated that they returned back as they can see the consequences lying ahead since they don't have means to clear the debris piled up on the roadside. Meanwhile, unloading process of 50,377 rice bags of FCI from about the 40 train bogie is taking place at Jiribam railway station.
चलुबगी हलकपगी मरमदो अखोई चमिनरे गाड़ीदो मै पाइलट का लंबी स्लिप तारक लेरमे लेरमबुदुदगी जेसीबी लेतबनिना कोटपा ngamore halaje hana koi halminar kan गाड़ी चौराना ngasi di tingki inerक्tre हबा अखोइना उबदे गाड़ी 30 मुक्ति चलांगने हन खले